x power 2 minus 1 equals 0 equal what? We have two factors times of them equals 0. The first factor here, x, must be equal 0, and second factor here, x power 2 minus 1 equals 0. Then x power 2 equal 1. Then x will be positive or negative, square root of 1. Then x will be positive or negative 1. Then we have three solutions. Oh, it's example set of solution. It will be 0 and 1 and the negative 1. Okay, it was question number 1. Question number 2. The arithmetic mean of the values here is 18. Then k equal space. We want to find the value of k here. We know the arithmetic mean equals the sum of all values divided by number of the values. We called it the mean. He gave us the mean in the example was 18, and then we can add all values, 18 plus 23 and 29 and k. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and then use product of extremes equal product of means. 4 times 18, 4 times 8 equals 32, write 2 and carry out 3. 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7, and then write k here. 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 8 equals 20, 0 and carry up 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 6, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Then k here equal to the value of k equal to, choose letter C. Question number 3. The lower limit of the set is 4 and the upper limit 8. Then the center will be what? We know the center equals the sum of lower quartile and upper quartile and then divided by 2. Then we can find the center. It will be 4 plus 8 divided by 2. It will be 12 divided by 2. Then the result will be 6. Question number 4. If the radius length equal 6 centimeter and this volume equal what? About here, about sphere. Okay, the volume of the sphere equal 4 over 3 by r power 3. It's the volume of the sphere, and we want to find the volume by using by here. Don't write 22 over 7 because the result here by in the letter A and B and C and D. Okay, then the volume will be 4 over 3 times y times r power 3, 6 power 3. The volume will be 4 over 3 multiplication by 6 times 6 times 6. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. 2 times 6 12. 12 times 6 equals 72. Okay, 72 times 4 times by times 72, right by here, and 2 times 4 equal 8 and 7 times 4 equal 28. Then the result will be 288 by. Choose letter D about question number 4. Choose letter D. The volume will be cubic centimeter. Question number 5. If the point A and 1 satisfies the relation x plus y equal 5, then A will be what? We have the point 5 and 1 falling to the straight line here, x plus y equal 5. Satisfy this equation, it's meaning x equal 5 and y equal 1. Then put x equal 1 and y. We have x plus a. Sorry, this point a and 1. A and 1. Okay. Then a. Put x equal a and y equal 1. A plus 1 equal 5. Then a will be equal 4. Okay. Again, he gives us the point a and 1 satisfies the relation x plus y equal 5. Then x will be a and y equal 1. But in this relation, then 1 plus a equal 5. Then a equal 4. Question number 6. The interval from 3 to 5 closed. Cancel from 3 to 5. It will be opened interval from 3 to 5 opened. Choose letter D. Question number 2. Complete each of the following. Number 1. The slope of the straight line parallel to x-axis, it will be 0. In a straight line parallel to x-axis or perpendicular to y dash, it will be 0. And the straight line parallel to y dash or perpendicular to x-axis, the slope here undefined, 1 over 0. Okay, question number 2. Cubic root of 64 equals square root of what? Cubic root of 64, it will be 4. 4 times itself 3 times equals 64. Then 4 equals square root of 16. Then we must write 16 under the square. Question 3. If the mode of the values is 7, then x here will be what? X will be 6, because x plus 1 will be 7. Then x will be equal 6. Question number 4. Half closed interval from -2 to 5 intersection by R positive equal space. Okay, real number positive we have here from -2 to 5. We closed here and opened first interval, and second interval R positive, it will be from 0 opened to right hand side. The intersection between them, it will be opened from 0 and opened to 5. It's opened interval from 0 and 5. Okay, question number 5. The multiplicative inverse of the number square root of 10 subtract by 3, it will be 1 over multiplicative inverse 1 over root 10 minus 3. And then you can simplify this fraction by multiplication the conjugate about the denominator. It will be root 10 plus 3, and here root 10 plus 3, and then product numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator. Result will be square root of 10 plus 3, and here root 10 times root 10, it will be 10. Negative 3 times the 3, it will be negative 9. The result will be square root of 10 plus 3 over 1. Then the result will be square root over 10 plus 3. It's the result about question number 5. Find about question here, letter A. If we have x equal open interval from -1 to 4 and closed 5, and y the interval was half from 3 closed from this digit and open to infinity, so half closed, and you want to find number 1 by using a number line x union y. We can draw the number line here. It will be from -1 to 4. First interval opened here and closed to 4, closed it, and second interval from 3 to infinity, 3 closed to infinity here. Then the union, it will be -1 opened to infinity, -1 to infinity. It's a result about this example. Question number 2. You want to find x difference by y. We can cancel y here, it's first x and second interval y. Cancel this. It will be from -1 opened to 3 opened, because we will cancel 3 here. Question number 3. X intersection y, x and y intersection, and 3 and 4. 3 was closed and 4 closed. 3 and 4 closed. Okay. Question letter B. We have x equal root 3 plus 1 and y equal 2 over root 3 plus 1. You can convert this fraction to convert the numerator here and denominator by multiplication conjugate to the numerator, to convert the numerator to whole numbers by multiplication the conjugate about root 3 plus 1. It will be root 3 minus 1, and the result here will be right 2 in the numerator, multiplication by root 3 minus 1 over root 3 times root 3, it will be 3, and 1 times 1 equal 1, right negative, and then right 2 over 2, or multiplication root 3 minus 1, 2 divided by 2 equal 1, then y will be root 3 minus 1 is the value of y and the value of x. and then y will be the conjugate of x. Then we can prove that x and y are conjugate. It's the first solution about letter B. Okay, question number 2. Find the value of x plus y over x product by y. X plus y, we must equate them, root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1, and we product between them, root 3 times root 3, it will be 3, and 1 times negative 1, it will be 1. And the result here, root 3 plus 3, it will be root 2 root 3. Cancel negative 1 by positive 1, and 3 minus 1, it will be 2. And then the 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times root 3, it will be root 3. The result here will be root 3, okay? In the simplest form, the result will be root 3. Next question. Question number 4. Letter A. Write circular center, the base radius 4 centimeter, okay? We have cylinder here, circular cylinder, and the radius of the base was 4 centimeter, and the height was 9 centimeter. Find the volume using volume here. It will be area of the base times the height. In the volume will be area of the base. It will be by r power 2 times by height. Height was 9, okay? Then the result will be 22 over 7 by times r power 2, the radius here 4 power 2 times by 9, it will be 81. Okay, but he won't find by using this formula. He don't write 22 over 7 times by 9. Then the result will be by multiplication 4 times 4 power 2, it will be 16 times 9, and then we can write by, and 16 times 9 equals 144. And the result will be square cubic centimeter. It's the volume about cylinder, circular cylinder, okay? Question letter B. Find the slope of AP where we have A and B here. Slope about AP. Slope, it will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have here 2 points. A was negative 1 and 5, and the point B equal 2 and 6. y2 minus y1, 6 minus 5 over 2 minus 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 plus 1 equal 3. The result will be third. Slope about AB. Question here, number 5, letter E. Graphic this relation y equal to x. We have the tables here, pathing the original point, because we have the constant about this equation, 0 and 0, 1 and 2. 1 times 2 equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4. And then we can draw the graphical here, 0 and 0, 1, 2, 1 and 2, and 2, 2, 4, and then draw the straight line here passing through the original point. Okay, next question. Question letter B. From the following frequency, find the mean. Okay, we will draw the table and divide it for parts. Right here, seats, and here x and f, and x product by f. Right, seats here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and x here 7, 10, 8, 6 and 9. 7 times 10 equals 70. Okay, first we can find x here 10 plus 20, it's an interval, okay, it's an interval. 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2, it will be 15. He 8, 10, it will be 25, 35, 45, 55. And then we can write if your frequency 7 and 10, 8, 6 and 9. Product between 7 and 15, it will be 105. 25 times 10 will 250. 35 times 8 equal 280. 45 times 6 equal 270. 55 times 9 equal 495. Okay, and then we can eat them to find the sum. About product here, eat them. 0 plus 5, 5, 10. 0 and carry up 1. 10 and 9, 18, 27. 9 here, 7, 8, 15, 10, 10, 20. Alright, 0. Carry up here, 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 7, and 4, 11 plus 3, 14. Again, 105, 250, 280, 270, 495. The result will be 1400. And sum of frequency here, he give us in the example 40. Then the mean, sum of all numbers 1400 over 40, cancel 0 by 0. 14 divided by 4 equal 3, and remainder 1. 10 divided here 14 remainder 2. 20 divided by 4 equal 5. The result will be 35.